guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can send fax messages on your LG Q70. So at the start we have to download some fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Store. I choose the Easy Fax one. So we have to launch it now. Allow permissions to your gallery and files, and like you can see now we are in the send fax mode. So if you add to some document, just click on the plus, choose the source of it. In my case I will take a photo. How you can see now you can adjust the shape of your document to make it more visible and choose the filter for it. If you want to add a signature, text or the graffiti, just use that icons. If you're ready, click here, and how you can see this is our document. Now here type the number here, and optionally you can give a small note. If you want to add more documents, just click on the plus and do it the same, but if you want to send only this one, tap on this icon, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.